Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talat Waheed. In previous video I told you about foreign key constraint, check constraint. So today we are discussing about check constraint on alter table. How we can add check constraint when table is already created. Okay, so for example, alter table student add check and age greater than equal to 21. Okay, so this is our table, test table. So write your query here, alter table, table name which is test, add check, and condition is age is greater than equal to 18. Okay, so let's see, this check constraint is added in this table. Okay, so insert data into this table. So just write insert into test, column name id comma name comma age, values, enter values, id let's suppose 4 and name is let's suppose Lily and age is let's suppose 10. Okay, so just write it here 10. So let's see what will be the output. Here I am adding here age is 10. So age is 10 will not accept here because we are adding here check constraint on age. Okay, so it's giving constraint failed because we have added here check constraint on age. Age will be greater than equal to 18. Okay, so let's change it to 18. So it's accepted now. So click on, so here this data is added in this table. Okay, so next, default constraint. It is used to provide a default value for the field. Okay, if at time of entering new data in a table, if the user does not specify any value for these fields, then the default value will be assigned to them. Okay, so syntax create table, table name, and just write default here. Okay, so just check it in terminal how it's working. Okay, so create table, table name, column 1 data type not null. Okay, so just create a table here, create table, my history id name varchar age integer, and just write here default and let's suppose 18. Okay, so default value of age will be 18. So our table is created now. Okay, so my history table is created now. So let's see description of this table. Description, my history. So let's see here, age is default value of age is 18. Okay, so just insert a data into this table, insert into my history id name values, let's suppose 1 Harry. Okay, so age value is not defined here. Okay, so let's see, let's check the description of this table. Okay, select asterisk from history. So here it's added 18 in the age because we have added here check constraint on default constraint on create table. Okay, so let's check it with another example so that it will clear to you. So just write second data id let's suppose 2 and name let's suppose Lisa. Okay, so let's see, so here it's added now id and name. So here it's added 2 Lisa and age will be 18. By default it's add 18 in the age column. Okay, so next, so earlier slides tells you how to create a table with some constraint. Okay, constraints are applied to column as well as tables. So our next topic is MySQL Joins. A join clause is used to combine rows from 2 or more tables based on column field between them. Okay, so our next topic is types of joins in a MySQL. Okay, so this is my channel. So in this channel I have added here MySQL playlist, MySQL Hindi playlist, and Python playlist. You can check it there, and please like, share, subscribe my channel.